is another people. Oh. Today people they have competition for fishing. Competition for fishing in France. Course the bateau. You have here. Have a lot boat here. Oh. But it's waiting because they have no water. It's low tide, people. It's low tide. Look at that. So cute. They have also the white one. You have more people. They rent this one. I know. This one, oh, so nice. This one also people. Very cute, the boat. This is cute also. This one cute people. They have people they rent because they have the water. Have the water. The water. The water. You have also the white one there. The white one, and they have the blue one. Yeah. That one, the kind of boats, fishing boat, it can go far away. This one, but this one is only near in the. Is I don't know. They have the me says that you cannot go out far. It's this kind of boat. That kind of boat you can go far away because it's big. But this one is manual. You use manual. They have no motor. That one you have the motor. That one you have the motor. Also that one. That one is nice. This one also is nice. I think it's very expensive also. You can have also put there the fishing here. There, yeah. I have a white one here. The white one. The white one, and also they have there look at that blue one.